There's a little bit of a Elvis, Jimmy Sellitti show with Elvis 68 comeback, and he's actually waiting on Frank Sinatra. He's in the mail, coming November 7th. So he's going to do a little something before he gets here. Right, Elvis? That's right, Jimmy. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, rockin' on time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, rockin' on time. You ain't never caught a rabbit, you ain't no friend of mine. Getting your guitars and tuned up, Elvis. Wow, been a long time playing around. Now this is my daughter's doll. I bought for her when she was a little girl in Toys R Us, way back time. A tribute to her too, because she's my baby. We're waiting on Sinatra now. He's gonna do some songs, but well, since my baby left me, you found a new place to dwell. Down there alone, sleep, that's a good old thing. My baby's so lonely, my baby's so lonely, I can die. Okay, well, memories pressed between the pages of my mind. Let's say you look at that song for Sinatra when he comes. So anyway, we're going to tune out. Until then, well, we'll see you. And thank you very much. This is Jimmy Selletti's show with the dogs of the legends.